So I'm just going to quickly show you the kind of stem that's suitable for the kind of propagation I do. This one, as you can see, has just recently been pruned. The buds were finished blooming. And what we want is a cutting that's about pencil thickness. So I am thinking it's a little bit thin on top, so I'm going to go down a bit. And I'm going to grab some extra length down here. So the bottom is right in that pencil thickness area that I like. The top is still a little thin. I don't need all of these leaves, but I will definitely be happy to have most of them. So I'll just do that and leave the ones on top. And this, although it's a bit long, you could certainly, when you're sending it to me, it can be a bit shorter. This is a really beautiful example of the kind of stems that are good. Nice fresh growth, lots of leaves, lots of opportunities for nodes. I could probably get 2 good looking cuttings out of this.